Every measuring tool has a hard physical limit. You literally can't measure anything smaller than its closest markings. Today, we're finding that absolute limit, called the least count, using something you already know, a standard 15-centimeter classroom ruler. Let's take a closer look at the very beginning of the scale. Focus strictly on the physical space between the 0 and the 1-centimeter mark. At a quick glance, this gap might look tiny, but it isn't empty. It is densely packed with a series of tiny, unnumbered subdivision lines. If we carefully count the individual spaces between these markings, we find exactly 10 equal gaps packed inside this single centimeter, which means each of those 10 spaces represents exactly 1 millimeter. Now, let's isolate just one of those single millimeter gaps. Because there are no lines printed closer together than this, it is physically impossible to measure anything smaller using this ruler. That absolute smallest measurable distance, this 1 millimeter gap, is what we officially call the tool's least count. So for your everyday classroom ruler, that fundamental limit is exactly 1 millimeter, which means the next time you see a carpenter's measuring tape on a construction site, you'll instantly know its absolute measuring limit is also exactly 1 millimeter.